In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite guests in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring external collaborators into a single project with the right level of access, safely and efficiently. First, open your browser and head to Asana's login page. If you use Google at work, click Continue with Google, then choose the account you want to use. If you don't sign in with Google, just log in the way you normally do. Once you're in, you'll land on your Asana home screen. Next, navigate to your projects. You can do this from the sidebar or the home area, depending on your layout. Find the specific project you want to share and open it. You'll be working from this project view for the invite. Look to the top right of the project and click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel where you control who can access the project and what they are allowed to do. In the invite field, type the email address of the person or people you want to bring in. If they're outside your company, use their external email address so Asana recognizes them as guests. You can invite multiple people at once. Just separate the addresses and double-check spelling to avoid bounced invitations. When you send the invite, they'll receive an email with a link to join the project. Before sending, set the right access level on the right-hand side of the share panel. For most guests, viewer or commenter is the best choice. Viewer lets them see the project without making changes. Commenter allows them to add feedback, ask questions, and interact in the comments, but not edit tasks or structure. Only grant editor or full edit permissions if you truly need that person to change tasks, dates, or sections. Keeping access tight protects your workflows and data. When everything looks good, click Invite to send the invitation. Guests will only see what you explicitly share with them, this project and the tasks within it, not your entire workspace or other projects. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If someone can't find the invite, ask them to check spam or filters or resend from the Share menu. You can adjust permissions or remove access later from the same share panel at any time. If their organization has restrictions, they may need to create or sign in to an Asana account to accept the invite. That's it. You've successfully invited a guest to your Asana project with the right level of access, keeping collaboration simple and secure.